Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm sharing with you a Dollar Tree haul that I recently picked up to participate in Paper Terrace's Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge. We have a budget of $20, and the items that you see in front of me, the total less than that, but I picked up a few other things that I will incorporate as embellishments as I see fit until I reach the $20 point. Let me show you one by one what I got. I picked up this Jot poster board. There are 6 pieces in here, and I thought this would be great to make tags and different things for my journal. I also found these fun pastel kind of like tie-dye rainbow effect file folders, and I'm going for an Easter themed pastel colored journal, so I thought these would be perfect for that. I also picked up this book. I plan to use this as a cover for my journal and also to use the pages to decorate my journal. I'll probably coffee dye these. I was particularly drawn to this book because of its overall size and the width of the spine. I found this gorgeous fabric table runner, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect for covering my journal and also using as elements in my journal, such as tabs or accents to pockets and tags, things like that. The inspiration for my journal theme came when I found this beautiful Easter home decor. It's got 3 wooden pieces that are connected with this sheer pink lace. I will be disassembling this and using the pieces and parts throughout my journal. I love the colors of this as well as all of the sparkle. I picked up the 6-pack of envelopes. These are 6 by 9 in size, and these are very versatile to use in journals. I found this cute pack of thank you cards, and I just really like the design and the colors and the fact that you get 6 of them and they come with envelopes. So I think we'll be able to do something fun with these in the journal. I got a couple sets of stickers that I just thought were springy and fun, going along with that, Easter pastel kind of color theme. I also grabbed a couple packets of seeds. These were a real bargain at only 25 cents a piece, and I just like the designs on the packets. I'll probably empty the seeds out and use them for another purpose, and just use the packets for pockets or something like that in my journal. I found this cute stamp set, which will be great to accent my pages with, as well as other tags and things in my journal. I also found this wall border. I just really liked the reflective properties of it and the color. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet, but I think it's going to find a place in my journal. I grabbed these pastel paper baking cups, this lovely lavender hair clip. I'm thinking maybe a journal closure. This 8-pack of Crayola pastel crayons, and some liquid food coloring. I also picked up this fun variety of ribbons and trims, as well as some artificial flowers. I figured these will be great to use as embellishments on my journal. Now, I can't use all of these things because that would put me over budget, but I do have room to use a few, so I'll be sure to let you know what made the cut in my final flip through video. I'm very excited to be participating in this challenge, and I thank you, Jessica of Paper Terrace, for hosting it. I'll be back soon with my completed journal and a final flip through. Until then, bye.